wanted to do this quick vlog. It's gonna be quick to y'all, but this is gonna be filmed over a number of days. So today is Tuesday, not Monday, Tuesday. I am filming an episode of The Doctors this weekend. I'm filming my first national solo segment. So I've done segments in the past where I have been by myself, but they were for like local news stations. They haven't been for a national platform. Sorry, I'm in a different position. So like I said, I have filmed national segments in the past, but for like Dr. Oz as a contributor, but not as like a lifestyle expert, having like my own dedicated segment. So I booked one on The Doctors. I'm so excited. We're filming it this weekend. So I don't know when this vlog is gonna air. I'm obviously not gonna be filming during the vlog because I don't think I'm allowed to take like my camera in there and stuff. So I will share all of this. You guys will be seeing all of this after it airs. Okay guys, so I'm planning to make this smothered chicken. I have some already in the flour. Our oil is getting there. And then I have some rice cooking to go with it. So I will let y'all know how this comes out. I got the recipe from Kardea Brown on Food Network, so I guess I'll link it because it's not my recipe. I'm just trying hers. I did let my chicken marinate. I don't think she did that in the video I saw. So we're just gonna try this out. We'll see how it works. I'm not the best fried chicken person, but we're frying chicken, and then we are going to make a smothered chicken with it. So stay tuned. Okay, so the recipe says do not cook the chicken all the way through. Let it fry on both sides, like brown, and then plate it, set it aside, because you're gonna cook it for 20 minutes in the gravy. So I'm gonna just let this brown a little, and we're gonna take it out. So I know the recipe says don't cook it all the way through because you're gonna cook it in the gravy, but I actually ended up cooking it all the way through because it just weirded me out not to, and then I smothered it in the gravy for a little bit. Okay, so for the sauce, it's just onion, minced garlic, butter, and a little bit of the oil from the fried chicken in here. Ooh. She let that saute, come on. She had let that saute. And then she added some thyme, and just other seasonings. She added the dry mustard seasoning. She added some chicken broth. I put butter in there. So I'm gonna do this because I can't hold this and do this, but right now I'll just have this sauteing. I'm gonna add a little bit of the dry seasonings and then the chicken broth. Okay, so the cream sauce is cooking. It's like a mustard cream sauce. It's starting to thicken up. That's what I wanted. I'm gonna add the chicken now. And then, yeah, I guess we'll be done. So I have the chicken smothered in here. I'm just gonna show you guys. And then I'm not gonna put anything on the side. I'm gonna pour the excess on here. I'm gonna just put this in a pan to take to my friend's house because it's pretty much done. So I'll show you guys what it looks like plated. So this is what it looks like all done. I'm gonna take it over to my girl's house so she can try it. It's gonna be bomb. Hi guys, good morning. Okay, so I'm heading to New York City. Why can't I find my chapstick? I can't find my chapstick. Oh, I'll just use this one. What the heck? Okay, so I'm about to go into the city and get a COVID test. What the heck? This thing is like empty. I have a fresh one in my purse somewhere, but I don't know where it is. But yeah. The weather is changing and I'm loving it. Oh my gosh, I'm such a fall girl. I was born in September, so even though I'm technically born summer because it's born like the 23rd, or actually no, I think that's like the first day of fall or something. I don't know, or second day. Either way, I I gotta go. I'm heading into New York. Just wanted to come on here and say hi real quick before I get on the road. I have to go get gas and then I'm gonna get on the highway. So I will see you guys in the city. 'Cause I'm not gonna be filming while I'm driving, of course. So love you guys. Okay, so I have to sit in my car until 12:30 because the street sweeper people are coming. And the lady parked 2 cars in front of me was like, oh no, you can't just get out and leave. You have to park, you have to sit in your car, and if they come, move your car like out of the way so they can sweep the street, I guess, and then move your car back. And I'm like, what kind of crap is that? Like, New York City needs to get it together with their like weird parking rules. Earlier when I went to go get my COVID test, I found a spot. Literally there were no signs that said you couldn't park there. None. I looked. It just said no standing. Like just no standing. No, not no standing or parking or no parking. Like it wasn't no mix up of words. It was literally no standing. And there was a parking meter literally next to my car. So I'm like, okay, I guess I can park here. I parked there and the lady's like, or the cop comes and he's like, oh, you can't park here. I'm like, why? He's like, you can't. No reason, no explanation, just no. I'm like, it doesn't say I can't park here. All these other cars are parked behind me. He's like, no, move. I'm like, so I found a parking garage. I hate paying for parking garages in New York because they're $1 gazillion. However, this one was only $8, $8.45 for 30 minutes. So I was like, oh, bet. So I ended up parking at that little parking garage to get my test. And my test was like a 5-minute test. So I paid $10 to walk 2 minutes down the street to be there for 5 minutes and leave. So I literally was probably there for all of 10 minutes. I was like, oh, okay. And then, so on the way here, I'm like praying, like, Lord, let me find a parking spot. I don't want to have to like, parking near my sister's house is always a job. I think I've mentioned this in my other vlogs. Like, it is literally a job. So I don't like to, like, if I find a spot, I like to sit there. But these street sweeper people, I always happen to come on the day of these street sweeper people. The sign says Tuesdays and Fridays they come at 12:30. So literally every single car in front of me, someone's sitting in their car because they know, I guess this is like a thing. I literally watched all these people run out here to get in their car so they could move before these people come. And I guess the lady was like, they may not even do this. You just have to be in your car so you don't get a ticket. I'm like, okay, whatever. Morning, guys. So I'm here. I made it. Did my makeup. I can't believe that I forgot mascara. I forgot concealer. So I don't have any of those things on, but I did the best I could. They actually touch you up anyway, so I'll just let the girl know, whoever the makeup people are, like, I need mascara on to blend my lashes with these, and then I need to touch up my nose because I had to wear my glasses. I forgot to bring contact lenses. I'm usually like on point with all of this, but it's just been a while since I've been in studio, so I totally forgot that I needed like my contact lenses for filming on set. I can't see without them. I mean, I can, but it's just gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna be definitely playing it safe. Y'all, first of all, y'all saw me before I left the car, right? My face was not this chiseled, okay? First of all, I'm obsessed. Dory is the girl's name who did my makeup. She's a black woman. Well, I think she's Latina, but she's an Afro-Latina, I think. I'm not sure. Whatever. She slayed my face, okay? I'm gonna tag her. Well, I tagged her on Instagram, but I'm gonna post her underneath because, I mean, I need to know every product she used, or she's about to just be my makeup person when I have to do TV, because, honey, I was so nervous, the build up, oh my gosh. I always get nervous before I go on set, on TV. And then once I get on set, I relax, I'm good. I was a little nervous, a little shaky. But once I get the feel for doing this more often, then I think I'll definitely feel a lot better. That was my first segment that was centered around my personal opinion that was like on a bigger platform. I've done like local small segments, but nothing of this magnitude. So Oh my gosh, it was amazing. I'm just literally, I could cry. I saw my name on the door, you guys. Like, God is good, God is faithful, and he is on time. You know, you win some, you lose some. Sometimes you lose something and you gain something better. Oh, I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm literally just like on a high right now. I'm so hungry though. My hair, this hair is okay, but I feel like I could definitely use some fresh hair. I just found a bunch of bundles that I had like lying around, because y'all know I be wearing wigs these days. Let me clean my glasses off because I need these to dry. But y'all, I'm loving my makeup. I gotta find out what blush she used on me. Oh, on TV they use heavy, like on television they use heavy blush, so this is normal to be this beat. This is like a normal thing. I did obviously my makeup, but she touched it up like amazing. All right, guys, so let me get on this highway. I'm in a tunnel, you guys. Like, not the tunnel, but a tunnel on the Bronx River Expressway. There's always traffic on the Bronx Expressway. So I need to eat something. I think that's gonna wake me up and just like bring me back to life. I was like, I gotta pull over, so. Oh my God, I'm not a soda drinker, ew. I hate soda, but I need something that has like sugar, like something that's gonna wake me up. So I went to Nathan's. Usually sometimes these little rest stops have Starbucks, but they didn't have it. So I just got some Nathan's fries. You know, like the hot dog people. I don't know if, you know, they're everywhere, but they're definitely here in Jersey. So I don't really eat hot dogs. They make me sick. So I'm just gonna eat some fries for a little bit. And then, hi guys. Okay, so we gonna vlog real quick because I wanted to put this in my video. So I just came back from Philly, put my pajamas on, Target pajamas, by the way. Trying country cooking today. I also picked up Ash's cobbler. She's gonna be in the, I guess, ShopRite or Fresh Grocer in Philly, I think. But she was there today. And her cobbler, this is her apple cobbler. I'm excited. Anything apple, I'm down. I'm eating it. I love, so good. So I'm trying this, but I wanted to do a quick little part in this vlog because I am actually trying country cooking today. So I got her fish, her yams, her macaroni and cheese, or she calls it eggaroni and cheese because she put so much eggs in it, and her string beans. Now I didn't get a lot because I can only handle but so much soul food. Like, I can't eat a whole lot of soul food. I love soul food, of course, but I try and only have this once in the blue. So I didn't get a lot because I'm really doing good with eating better. So I got her fish. I don't know what kind of fish this is. I didn't even look, but it's good. Her yams are really good. The green beans are good. The mac and cheese, everything is good. I haven't tried the cobbler, so let's dip into this cobbler real fast. This is by the girl Ashley. Just my name too. That's good. So the cobbler is vegan. So that's really good. I can't eat all this right now because all this sweet with the sweet potato and the cobbler. So I'll save the cobbler for when I'm like, I have a sweet tooth. Let me put this in the fridge. But this right here is really good. Let me show y'all. Let me just show y'all. So, well, I already started eating, but I was like, let me make a video real fast. So fish, mac and cheese, string beans, yams. All of it is very, very good. So shout out to Sod. I have tried the seafood salad, but I already tried that, so I didn't buy any. I just wanted to try something like I never had of hers, because I don't really be in Philly that often. I mean, I do, but not in that area. So I was like, since I'm not gonna be far from there today, let me run by and try her food. And it's very, very good. Like, really good. So I would have gotten more. I don't want to overdo it because one, I'm trying to eat better, and two, I can't eat everybody's soul food, and here's why. I can't have pork or beef. It just makes me really sick. So a lot of people cook their greens and their string beans in pork, and some cook it in turkey. I don't know what Saul cooks her in. I think she cooks it in turkey. I feel like I've seen her or heard her say that on her page. But I can't do the pork and all the other meats. So I am very limited on what I can eat from soul food places. That's why I just make my own, or I'll eat my mom's or a family member who knows I can't have pork, because most people that I know either cook it in turkey or pork. It's like one or the other. So I'm assuming she cooks hers in turkey. I don't think she uses pork, but I'm gonna be honest, y'all. This is very good. Like, it's better than the soul food places we have around here in Jersey. And I think I've been to all of them. This is very, very good. Even her mac and cheese, like, I know people talked a lot of trash because she used so much eggs. She's making it in an abundance. But I really do like it. I don't see her in front. You know, you never know until you actually try something when you see people posting stuff. So I was like, one of these days I'm gonna get my butt over there to Philly and try her food. And I really like it. I actually really like the fish. The seasoning, whatever she breads this fish in, obviously it's a little cornmeal. It's cornmeal, but the seasoning, it's actually seasoned really well. It's good. I would eat it again. I couldn't eat like this all the time because this is just not healthy for me. If I had a soul food like taste for soul food, now I was in Philly already. I ain't driving over there, but if I was in Philly already, I would definitely run by there and get this. So if you live out there, it's worth the drive. I mean, it's worth a drive from Jersey for sure, but I would have to be craving this. But yeah, I like it. It's good. So if you follow me and you live around here, try her food. It's really, really good. All right. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.